going, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com. I want to show you the site Paid Viewpoint, where you're going to get paid to take surveys. And the thing about it is you will never disqualify for a survey. You see here, I just took one. I made $2 on that survey, and I have 2 more that are available for me. So I'm going to go through and do both of those surveys. I'm showing you that regardless of the amount that they're paying me, that I'm going to qualify for it. So I'm going to click on this survey here. And it's going to take me right into the first one. And the surveys really aren't long. You just go through, you answer them. Sometimes they have, questions on here that are, designed to, line up with your demographics. So, it's important that you, tell the truth and make sure your answers always, stay in line with, with your profile or whatever it says. So, usually, like I said, the questions, they aren't long, or the surveys, it's probably like 11 to 12 questions. Sometimes it can be a little longer, but, the longer the survey, you'll get paid a little bit more. So you see here, I'm just going through answering. I mean, the questions aren't difficult. And like I said, you won't disqualify for it. So just going through and finishing up these last few questions. That might be the last one right there. So yeah, that's the last one. You see that I got credited 10 cents. So I have another survey available for me. It took me less than a minute to do that survey. So I mean, they're simple to do. So now I'm going to go into the next one. Just wait for it to finish loading real quick and just answer it. Again, just easy questions. Sometimes if you get put into a long survey, they'll show the time that it takes, kind of at the bottom of each question. So, I mean, you'll never be in the dark of long, thinking like, okay, I'm taking this survey, I don't know when it's going to end and things like that. So, I mean, just know the surveys are quick. And if it is a longer survey, you'll always see the timer going down, just letting you know that you're close to the end. And the timer is like 100% accurate. So, I mean, that's why I love this site. It's just so many things that, really benefit from using it. So, again, just like I said, you don't have to be just randomly answering, anything. You don't have to lie about it, because all your, you're going to qualify for every survey that you take on here. That's just the why I really like this site so much, just because I know I'm getting paid when I take a survey. And that might be the last one. Again, yeah, that is the last one. So you see there, another 10 cent, another, under a minute survey. And so now you see my balance is $8.66. You can cash out at a minimum of $5 with this site. So I'm going to go to my dashboard to show you how you do all that real quick. So I'm going to click on the money sign here and just show you the different payment options that they have. They got PayPal, they got Amazon, all that kind of good stuff. There's something else I wanted to mention is, like, when you're using this site, when it comes to them paying you, it takes about 2 days for you to actually get the money. So like I said, here are all the different reward options they have. I always go with PayPal. And for PayPal, it says it takes up to 72 hours, but like I said, I usually get it in 2 days. I mean, that's just, a little time they give themselves. But you see there, my balance, it goes down to 0. The money's on the way. So it's just like that. Very simple survey site to use. If you're somebody that doesn't like surveys because you feel like you're going to get disqualified for them, or they just take too long, this is the perfect site for you, because you're going to qualify for every survey that you take. The surveys aren't long. You're going to make a minimum of 10 cents for every survey. Just kind of, check back, throughout the day, so you can get more surveys. And really, the more surveys that you take on here and, you get credited for them, the more surveys that will give you. It really does work like that. I kid you not, I've been using this site for over 10 years. So, I mean, it's still going strong. It's just, a really good site for you to use, just, and making money with. So I'm going to leave the link to it in the description so you can sign up with it. Like I said, qualify for every survey that you take. Make this easy money. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.